children, welcome again to your YouTube classes. Today we will start a new chapter which is a poem, and the name of the poem is The Rebel, and this poem is written by D.J. Enright. D.J. Enright was a British academic poet, novelist and critic. So let's start to read. Do you know anyone who always disagrees with you or your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. Discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. So in this poem, the poet simplifies the personality of a rebel. Who is rebel? The rebel is a person who does not follow the general norms. He challenges the society, although it's a negative quality, as the person breaks the rule and shows opposite traits or qualities of what is expected. So you can see here, you know anyone this kind of person who is always disagree with you and your friends, or he likes to do just opposite what everyone do. So let's start the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So you will see, he wants to do the opposite of everything. Who? The rebel. When everyone having short hair, he wants to grow his hair long. Means always opposite. And when everybody has long hair, the rebel wants to cut his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Means when everybody is talking during the lesson, the rebel remains quiet at that time. Whereas when everyone is expected to keep quiet, he will not stop talking and disturb all. He creates disturbance that time. So he is going opposite to anything or everything what the other person is doing. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Means the attitude of rebel is same in dressing sense also. He won't wear a uniform if everybody does, and when everybody wear fantastic clothes during celebration or party time, the rebel dress in a very sober way. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. For example, we are friends and we are talking about the love we have for dogs, but the rebel is always give a preference to the cats. Because he is a rebel, they take the conversation to a different level. And when you are with cat lovers, the rebel always going for the praise of dogs. He always praise about dogs. That's it for today. Meet you very soon with the next part of this poem. Till then, take care.